Hi there. You've probably come across the YoHealth project, which offers to pay you for walking. I have to say, getting to know it was interesting, exciting, and even profitable to some extent. The app really motivated users to move, and that was something unusual. Just imagine, you go about your daily business, and every step you take is so valuable to someone that they're willing to pay for it. Let's look back at the project's history. At first, you could exchange 1 FTN for 90,000 steps, then it went up to 160,000, and now you need to walk 380,000 steps to get a prize. From an earning perspective, the project has become much less attractive, but I'm grateful to the organizers for the huge amount of work they did and the opportunities they gave to regular users. Personally, I was pretty far from the crypto world, but thanks to YoHealth I became a confident user. I opened accounts on crypto exchanges, learned about protocols, NFTs, staking, figured out how to use exchangers, and finally got my first crypto card. For all of this, I want to thank the YoHealth team and all the niche projects around it. But all good things come to an end. I've decided to pause my participation in the project, and for now, I don't plan to make more videos on this topic. These days, I'm more interested in passive income. So, I'm going to try making my first crypto deposit. Watch this video to the end to find out why I made this decision. For this, I decided to transfer all the funds I earned from walking to the Whitebit exchange, which offers over 18% APY in USDT. Recently, I've been using the Ortac marketplace more often for withdrawals, and I've collected some NFTs there. To keep this video short, I sold them in advance, as you can see in my transaction history. If you want to know how to do this, check out my previous videos. So, my total balance is 21 FTN. I'm transferring the money to Whitebit. To do this, I go to the exchange, open my wallet, and click Deposit. I select FTN as the deposit currency. The deposit amount must be at least 1.6 FTN, otherwise the money will be lost. I get the address, copy it, and go back to Ortac. On the marketplace, I click the white Withdraw button, select FTN, enter the address and the amount, in my case, the maximum, enter the 6-digit 2FA code, and confirm the withdrawal. A green pop-up lets me know the payment was successful. My balance is now 0, confirming the transaction. Thanks, Ortac. Now, let's switch to Whitebit and wait for the deposit. After 60 network confirmations, the money is credited. I move it from my main to my trading balance. Next, I place a sell order for FTN to USDT, confirm the order, and the exchange is done. I send the received funds back to my main balance. Now, let's go to the Earn section. For USDT, there are flexible and fixed plans. The fixed plan offers over 18% APY, depending on the term. I've already made a small test deposit of $50 at a fixed rate. Now, I'll try the flexible plan. The expected yield is much lower, about 3.9% APY, but you can withdraw your money at any time. The flexible plan also lets you add more funds to your deposit and withdraw them fully or partially. I'm depositing my $113. Success. Let's check the active plans. The money is working. Since you watched to the end, here's a little secret. On June 16th, an additional 20 million FTN tokens will be released into the network. Of course, there's no guarantee, but this could lower the token price. At least, I think it's possible, so I plan to buy it back at a better price, while my money sits in the deposit. Time will tell if I'm right, and in the meantime, I'll think about what to do next. Wishing you all success.